Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adrian Reddix, and I want to talk to you today about my 5 favorite free softwares that I use on a frequent basis. The reason why I like these free softwares is because with everything being so hyper expensive and hardware being expensive, you can get through your day to day with some open source freeware. To me, that's a great deal. If you know anything about me, I am super cheap. I don't like to spend a lot of money on anything. These 5 softwares help me do that. The first one, in no particular order, is LibreOffice. LibreOffice is an office suite that's similar to Microsoft Office. It doesn't look the exact same, but it's functional. And as far as functionality, it's the exact same. It handles the same formats. And if you're familiar with the Microsoft Office layout and how things are done, or if you're familiar with any Office suite, then things look familiar. You'll be able to click around and be very familiar and comfortable with LibreOffice. To me, it's one of the must-haves whenever you finish with a computer build or you just bought a computer and you don't want to spend the money to buy the hundred some odd dollars on the Microsoft Office suite. This could be a solution. Number 4 is 4K Downloader. 4K Downloader is a software, my voice is cracking a lot. 4K Downloader is a software that you can take links from different media, video, audio, and download them to your computer for use in, I don't know, presentations, YouTube videos, things like that. Or you can download music. It doesn't matter. It's an array of things you can download. So 4K is one of the things I use as far as when I need to pull video for my videos. You know, it's common use or fair use, and I download them and put a little clip in there and you know, just showing some different things. I always credit the source. The third software is a browser, and this is Brave. Brave is one of my favorite browsers simply because it comes out the gate blocking ads. Like you, ads usually aren't my favorite thing unless it's a creator that I like on YouTube. I let the ads go because I want to support what they're doing. But sometimes ads are annoying, especially for different websites. Also, it prevents a lot of websites that have video just start playing automatically. It stops that. Brave has this thing called tokens. If you watch ads that are privacy friendly, then you get these tokens that could be used for different things in the store. And I know they're trying to get some type of currency equivalent where if you get so many Brave tokens, you get this. And also they have crypto wallets. If you're into that, they'll store your cryptocurrency, so it can always be accessible to you as far as whatever you do with crypto wallets. I try to get into it, and yeah, it didn't really work out. Number 4 is the snipping tool, which now is called Snip and Sketch, and it's a Windows only program, but as far as screenshots, it makes things a lot easier. If you're familiar with how to screenshot on Windows as it is, you gotta, especially if you have like a 2 monitor setup, you have to make sure the cursor is on the screen. You want a screenshot, you do a little key combination, and you have to go to Paint and paste it. It's a lot of work. With just the snipping tool or the snip and sketch tool, you just drag your cursor across and voila, you have what you wanted. It's quite simple. And with the snip and sketch, you can get in there and do some editing to it right there on the spot before you even save it. To me, it's a fantastic program. I like it just because it makes my life easier. We've made screenshots so easy on phones and tablets. Why not make it easy on your desktop? And the 5th software I use very frequently on a daily basis, it's VLC. VLC is my absolute favorite media player of all time. During the dark ages of the 90s, early 2000s, when you had Windows Media Player and Real Player, and you were trying to play different audio or video files, and it couldn't do it because it didn't have the right codec, and then you have to go out there and find it, and if you couldn't find it, you'd have to purchase it from somewhere, and it was a hassle. And ever since I started using VLC, I've thrown all different types of media formats at it, and it's taken every one of them like a champ. It plays everything, and if it's something that doesn't play, just a little adjustment in the settings, and 9 times out of 10, it comes on and it plays beautiful. I love it. So, a bonus. I got a bonus software for you guys. And the reason I didn't add it is because it's not quite a software. It is, but it isn't. You'll see what I'm talking about. My bonus software is going to be the Epic Game Launcher. I mean, what's so exciting about the Epic Game Launcher? Don't I have to buy games? If this was a couple years ago, yes. For the past year and a half, Epic every week has been releasing a free game. I mean, you download the launcher, you create a Epic account, and you can start downloading the free game of the week. It's fantastic. I don't know what the reason is. My speculation is that when you download the game and you have fun with it and you have this DLC content, I guess they're banking on you buying DLC content to make this venture worthwhile for them. That's my thought. I don't know if that's true or not, but it makes sense to me. But I even downloaded Fortnite because I didn't want to use anybody else's Fortnite footage, so I played the game, and just so I can show you guys, because Epic is known for Fortnite and also their Unreal Engine, which a lot of games like Duke Nukem Forever and Gears of War are based on. That's my 5 free softwares and even a bonus software for you guys. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me some of your favorite free softwares. And if you guys like this kind of video, I can keep doing it. If you don't, we'll do something else. You know, I do it for fun. This is what I like doing. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.